looking rough. I woke up like an hour ago, and if you can't tell by the title, this video is going to be a online school vlog. Basically, I do half online, half going to school. It's called hybrid learning, and I'm going to get ready to take a bath. I don't have class until 10:57 or something like that, so I have like a little over 2 hours. So okay, so the bath is almost done running. I had to turn it off for a second so you guys could hear me. But I'm going to be using my Dr. Teal's bubbles. These literally make such a big difference and they smell so good. And I have my coffee here. And then I have a candle going right here. This is like my favorite part of the week, is Tuesdays in the morning, getting ready for class. So I'm gonna finish off the bath, then I'm gonna get in. I have some videos I need to edit, actually, 2 of them. I just posted a video yesterday, but I'm trying to get back on my grind. So that's what we're doing here, we're working on it. But I'm going to enjoy my bath, and then I will be back to have breakfast and do some makeup. I don't know. I'm also gonna do my nails today. I just stabbed myself in the forehead. I'm also gonna do my nails today. So, see you guys later. Okay, I just got out of the bath and I have my clothes on. I'll show y'all the fit. I need to put a belt on. These jeans are a little bit big. I just bought them, but they're like slightly too big. So I need a belt, but I'll show y'all the fit, and then I'm gonna go make some breakfast and then do my hair and my makeup. I just made 2 Shein purchases. I made one like a week ago, and then I just made another one. So I have like almost $200 worth of stuff coming in the mail. And if you hear that whining, that's my puppy. She wants in, so let's let her in. Come here, baby. Hello. But I'm gonna show you guys the outfit, and then we're gonna go eat. Hello, say good morning, good morning. Okay, but the socks have little pumpkins. Oh goodness. The socks have little pumpkins on them, if you can see that. And then I have this top from Target, and these jeans are from Old Navy. My mom's being loud. But I have this top from Target, these jeans from Old Navy. Like I said, they're a little big, so they're kind of falling off. I just need to put a belt on, and then they'll sit right. But these are like the boyfriend jeans style. They're super cute. They're not like too baggy. They're like the perfect amount of baggy. So I also finished editing one video, and I noticed I've worn braids in like 4 or 5 of my most recent videos. So I need to take these out today because I braided them for work on Sunday. But so I'm making a smoothie. I got my fruit, my milk, and then I just used my like NutriBullet that I just got at Goodwill for $3. Yes, I sanitized it, but I'm just gonna like fill up a little over half the container with fruit, and then a little less than that of milk because I like mine a little more thick. And yeah, kind of what my smoothie looks like after it's thick. I like to eat it with a spoon, but I'm gonna eat this and then get ready. Okay, so I am officially ready. I did some makeup and my hair is done. I'm about to brush my teeth, and then I have my first Zoom meeting, which is English. We're probably taking notes or something like we always do. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have a little jewelry on. I put my belt on so my fit looks better, but yeah. Just got out of my first meeting and I'm gonna run to the Dollar Tree to see if they have any fall decorations. I'm gonna try to not get hit here. It's kind of a lot of traffic right now actually. I think it's like lunch hour for people who go to work and stuff. I don't know. But I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree, see if they have any like pumpkins and leaves and stuff, and then I'll update you when I get there. So I got 2 bags of stuff at Dollar Tree for $15. I'll show you guys when I get home. I'm about to go to Marshall's quick and find like a blanket and a pillow. So okay, so we secured the bag. I got a blanket and a sign and an eyeshadow palette from Marshall. And then I got a bunch of leaves and pumpkins and some candles from the Dollar Tree, just because I knew it would be the cheapest there. So, decorate when we get home. I'm so excited. Meeting number 2. So I just finished my algebra meeting and now I have anatomy and chemistry at 1:49. It's currently 1:33. And then I'm done for the day and I have to go pick up Anna from school, I think. But yeah, that's everything so far. So far I have algebra homework and I have to write a myth in English. I have to write a story, like a 1-page short story. And those are, the story's due on Thursday and the algebra's due next Monday. So I'm gonna probably start some of it tonight. So I don't get behind like I did this week. I did so much homework yesterday because I didn't do it last week. But that's everything for now. My day's pretty chill, pretty boring. I'll show you guys my room later. My mom's currently watching a movie and I'm about to start my next meeting, so I'll just show y'all that later. So I just got done with my last meeting. We took notes over anatomy and physiology, and then I have my cause book out right here. But that's basically it for today. I'll show you guys my room later. And that's kind of all I have for today. So, slow day, easy day, per usual. It's pretty easy. But so I'm finally gonna show you guys my room quick, and then I'm going to end this video. Leaf garland up here, a little pumpkin here. Don't mind the nail stuff, I'm about to do my nails. These are like flowers and leaves. I need to make them into an arrangement. I have this little pumpkin here and this little pumpkin here. Then over here I have this golden pumpkin and this little thing up here. And then I bought this blanket, and there's baby girl. Well, hello. But I bought this blanket at Marshall's. And then over here we have some leaves on my mirror, this little golden pumpkin here, and then right here I have this little sign and these 2 candle trays with little candles in them, and it's just super cute in here. It's like simple, but I really like it. And those flowers will go where my roses are, but I have to wait for them to die. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my online school vlog thing. There's not really much else that I do on the daily basis. I have a little bit of homework I'm gonna try and start, but other than that, that's honestly it. But I love you guys so very much, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see all of you later. Bye guys.